Cynthia Gibbons again with Exit Real Estate Gallery, and I'm here with two. I just finished the distressed property training, and I want to let him introduce himself because I'm gonna be doing a lot of business with him. Go ahead, two.
I'm Two Mullins with Homebridge. I've been a loan officer in the mortgage industry for about 10 years. We specialize in a lot of home renovation finance, FHA 203K, Fannie Mae home sale programs, short sales, foreclosures, that sort of thing. Anything with a little bit of age, scratch and dents, or our favorite functional obsolescence, things that just don't work. A lot of things that banks don't want to do, that people don't know they can get loans on. We can actually finance those properties and help people get them moving ready and get the money in place to finance any and all of their affairs. So thanks for coming out with us today. Look forward to working with you in the future and also seeing you at the Black Expo next month.
Yes. And thank you guys for watching yet another one of my videos. More and more great information to come. And as always, live the life you imagine.